Hi, this is Attorney Mike Gerlin coming to you from Chicago, as usual. And today I've got a fun one. It's an old one. I kind of missed the boat on this. Chandra sent it to me. Thank you. This clip is so deliciously awful. I dare say that it garnered international attention.
This received international attention.
International attention.
In addition to that, I brought you a fresh new cat herding clip from today. So I've got a fun one at the end, like a bonus clip from Judge Anzalone's courtroom, and we get to see our good friend, Attorney Daly. Let's do it.
Judge, I've got a guilty plea on several cases with Miss Shameka O'Neil, who's just on the line. He just got on the line. It's on.
Yeah, I was trying to get Mr. Valentine, which is Miss Davis' client. I was trying to get him done first, just because he's at the mezzanine
that's
already.
fine.
But let me see. At the mezzanines, you all have Burns upstairs.
I actually don't know where this court is, but Judge Kalen's got a distinct Southern accent, if you ask me.
We've already went and retrieved him, Judge.
Okay, great. Let me know when you've got him. We might be able to do his before Valentine.
He's present.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it then.
Burns is ready.
All right, this is numbers 5 through 8 on our docket. And Mr. Kruthoffer, when you're ready, go right ahead.
Sure. Mr. Burns has 4 cases on the docket. I'm going to read all 4 of them into the record. They're all guilty pleas. The first one is call number 7. It's 20M3583. It's 1 count of assault 4th degree domestic violence. He's pleading guilty to that charge. The sentence is as follows. It's 365 days with 60 days to serve, with credit for time served of 37 days as of today. The balance of 305 days is going to be withheld on state supervised probation for 2 years on conditions of no new offenses, no contact with the prosecuting witness, BIP, and complete a 6-month substance abuse treatment through Addiction Recovery Care, or ARC, also as it's known. The defendant is going to be released to the ARC program as soon as a bed date becomes available, which my understanding will be no later than Thursday from speaking with that the coordinator for ARC. He's going to come back and serve the balance of the 60 days after he completes that inpatient treatment program, whenever that is done. It could be longer than 6 months, but the understanding is he's going to come back and serve some additional days.
So I think we need to write that up as like a furlough, correct?
Now, can I ask a question? Is my attorney?
I can. If
Your Honor, that's what I would suggest.
Your
that
attorney's
it
on the
be
line.
written up as a furlough. Yes.
She told me that was going to get put on the shelf. So my
I'll put rather than released, I'll just change it, defendant to be furloughed to the ARC program with a
Well, he's saying he did not. Sir, can you please pull your mask up? He's saying that he and Miss O'Neil did. Please let me.
Your Honor, I just want to reiterate.
Miss O'Neil, please do not interrupt me. He is saying that they did not discuss that. So would you like some time to speak with your client, Miss O'Neil?
No, ma'am, I wouldn't. I would like to correct Kurt in saying that he is going not for substance abuse. It's for mental health treatment. He's bipolar schizophrenic, ma'am. So he says a lot of things. He agreed to this deal. He has it in his hand. So the question becomes, Kurt, do you want to take it or not? You're dealing with somebody that's not operating at full capacity, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
look.
I mean, that is just crazy what she's saying. Okay, so they recite this, and he said that he needs some substance abuse treatment. She says he needs mental health treatment. That's fine as far as it goes. However, if that's the case, it's likely he's not competent to accept this deal. And I can't imagine an attorney not being aware of that scenario. And this is, you see it on the judge's face right there. That's what's dawning on her as this occurs.
Yes, it's Addiction Recovery Center. I assumed it was substance abuse treatment. If it's mental health treatment,
No,
that's
no,
fine.
he's got bipolar, undiagnosed bipolar schizophrenia. That's the reason for these offenses in the first place.
I don't know what we're arguing over. He's going to treatment. If it's mental health treatment, I'll correct it to say mental health.
Right, that's fine. But what I'm saying is your client is saying he did not understand it that way. It's fine. It is fine that he has mental illness, but that doesn't mean that we can go through with a plea if he doesn't understand what he's agreeing to.
Man, I don't even have no records of me having mental illness. She just putting that diagnosis on me. I don't have no mental illness. I'm from Florida. I'm not even.
Your Honor, it's my motion at this time to withdraw from this case.
No, ma'am, that motion's denied.
Why?
Because
he won't accept the plea, and he's going contrary. He won't accept the. Ma'am, I've been to the jail 5 times. He's flooding the toilets. He's causing disturbances. He's fighting. He's been beat up. He's calling me 12 times a day.
You are disparaging your client to this court.
Okay, well, the bottom line is, my advice to him, ma'am, is to take the deal. If he's not going to do that, then I'm withdrawing from this case.
Ma'am,
I've already been to the jail 5 times, Your Honor, to talk to him.
The withdrawal is denied.
Oh my Lord, that is just fundamentally wrong. That's not how it works. The client has the final say on it. So you say, I do this, or you can say either take this or I'm going to withdraw. And in fact, I have done that, but you have to file a motion to withdraw with the court, and the judge has to approve it. She just made an oral motion to withdraw, and the judge denied it. She just has a fundamental misunderstanding of the practice of law, and apparently she's an attorney. I don't see her on here, but wow.
I bet I don't appear again. Goodbye.
Okay, I would like to make a contempt motion for Ms. O'Neil. I will enter an order compelling her appearance in front of this court tomorrow.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, she just told the judge she's not going to appear on the case anymore. Well, you've got an appearance on file, and you've got a duty. Sorry.
Roll everything to tomorrow morning, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mr. Burns, there is no excuse for an attorney to behave that way.
Yes, ma'am.
We will address this tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
And, your attorney will be lucky if she's not in there with you. So
now, I'm willing to work out any way best that the prosecutor feels. I don't understand why she's going off like that, ma'am. You know what I mean? I'm not
I don't
lying.
either, sir. It is unacceptable, and I promise you there will be consequences.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We will see you tomorrow.
Whatever the prosecutor want to work out, I feel like we can work a deal out to get this case out the way. And
I appreciate.
I'm sorry for everything that's happening.
Sir, you have no reason to apologize. None. You have been kind and patient today, and I appreciate you.
All right.
We will see you tomorrow, and I apologize that it went this way today.
Okay, man. You have a good day. Thank you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Never in my life. Okay, I'll be writing an order if anyone needs me.
I'm interested in what happened. I can't imagine she would continue the representation. The judge is going to probably appoint another attorney for the defendant because that attorney is out of control. But it's going to be at a serious price for that attorney. She's going to be sanctioned or lose her license or something. It was a year ago. Somebody probably has done the update on it already. Whatever occurred probably occurred long ago. If you know something, put it in the comments for everybody, because everybody will ask me. I don't know, and I don't feel like chasing it down when it's old news. This next one is just a fun little bit of cat herding over in Lenawee County. Let's do it.
Your Honor, I started a jury trial that's absolutely going to go, and it will save us 25.
So Ms. Adams, could I have the next available date, please?
So there we are. We've got our good friend James Daly down there. I think looking rather dapper today. And the context is they're trying to get dates, and everyone's calendar is flooded. So they've been going back and forth for a few minutes, and then this happens.
Sure.
Mr. Ruiz is not in custody, but we could back it up to other trials.
Okay. June 7th at 9, that would be backed up to another trial.
What day?
June 7th.
All right. Ms. Borders and Mr. Daly, June 7th, are you available?
Well, there he is, bottom right, of course. And when he first popped on, I thought, oh boy, we've got another naked in court, just based on the angle and what you could see. But no, he's fully clothed and he's fine. He's just oblivious. It's delicious.
I am a bit, well, actually, I apologize, Your Honor. I actually have another trial that begins in Old Savers Court on June 8th. That is also going, that's with Mr. Daly.
All right, hold on, everybody, hold on. I have a gentleman in a brown shirt walking around. What is your name, please?
Emmanuel Simmons.
All right, Mr. Simmons. So I'm going to rename you, but I'm going to mute you too, and I'm going to pop you in the waiting room. All right? We'll be right with you, though. You're next, okay?
What?
All right. Oh, I'm sorry.
Mr. Daly.
Well, there you have it. I just thought that was a fun moment. I recently did a video on Judge Anzalone, and I kind of like her. I thought that was a fun bit, and I wanted to give you a little something new with the old. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.